Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Shopify's built-in content management system or CMS. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and the first thing that we would need to do so that we can access the management system for the content is click here on online store, and once you do, you would have it right here. So the content that you can create here in Shopify is the pages and blogs. These are the built-in here in Shopify, but if you want other content to use here in Shopify, you can go here in the search and you can go for apps right here, and there are a large amount of possibilities that you can find here in apps. So let's say you want to go and make content for like social media, then you can just go for it right here and find it. You can find it in apps because it's probably there. But for this topic, it will be the built-in here in Shopify, so it will be the blog posts and pages. And here, when you click on blog posts, you can see all the blog posts that you have right here, and you can notice that I have this notice right here. So if you have this notice right here, it's very important that you resolve this. So click on remove password right here, because if not, then only the visitors with your password can access your store. So not anyone can access your store, which is not what you want. So you want to remove the password right here so everyone can access your store or your content here in Shopify. And now let's go and remove this right here. Let's just delete and save. And password can't be blank. And let's go 1. So limit who can access your online store. To let anyone access your online store, you need to pick a plan right here. So a free plan won't be able to do it. So if you'd want to let anyone access your blog posts or pages, you need to pick a plan right here. So it will be a paid plan. So when you pick a plan, these are the plans available for Shopify right here. So you would really need to use this in order for you to use the public mode of the online store for here in the blog post and pages. But for now, let's go try and create a blog post right here. So click on create blog post, and from here you could add a title, content, and excerpt, and your SEO right here. So your SEO is very important right here. I think this is the only one that I need to discuss in depth, because the other settings or customizations right here are pretty much understandable already. And for the SEO, you can click and edit website SEO. And from here, you can create a page title. And if you don't know what SEO is, it's basically what will appear when you search something on Google. So for example, when I go into google.com and I search something, what is Shopify? This is how it would appear right here. So this is SEO right here. So SEO stands for search engine optimization. So it's basically like this. So search engines like Google. So this is how it will appear. So you want to make your page title just 60 to 70 characters. That is the optimal one based on my research and experience. And for description, you want to just half of this right here. There is 320 that is available for you to use, but I recommend only 150 to 160 characters, and for this one is 60 to 70 characters right here. And this is how it would appear right here, as you can see, and it's like this one right here, yeah, just like that. And your URL handle, you don't need to mess with this. Please do not customize this anymore unless you want to change the link or URL right here, but most of the cases, if you really don't know what this is, then you don't need to mess with that. And this is for the blog post. And now let's go into pages and leave page right here. And we're going to create a page right here. So click on add page right here. And from here, you can see the options for add page. And it's pretty much very understandable already. You can go choose a theme right here that you'd want to. So you want to add it into your store. And again, the SEO right here, you can also edit it the same way right here. And your visibility right here, if you wanted to publish right here, so it's visible to the web and to other people. And the title and content, of course, same as the blog post right here. And yeah, this is the built-in content management system here in Shopify. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.